those looks for a little bit more dramatic look. Then you can either using a gel painting in the bottles or gel painting the pot. It's okay, good. Just give a little bit of the gold finish. This is the easiest way for the fusionings, the marble designs. Super easy.
Hey Kevin, Kelly Nails. So for premiere show, Nancy will be there all the time. So if you want to come up by and say hi, just stop by the booth, 6851.
Yes, all right. Hey Kelly, thank you so much. Yes, we're going to be there. We can't wait to see everyone. Oh, hi Mama Vic, how are you? Okay, so now we are going to, so now just keep in mind, if you feel good, you don't want anything else, you are good to go. If you like, you're like, oh my gosh, okay, you want to add more stuff on it, then absolutely. So I'm gonna do another one with the same fusioning with magnetic looks. So now if you